Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify eligibility on Uniswap airdrop pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify eligibility on Uniswap airdrop pages, start by visiting the Uniswap website. Locate the section for airdrops on the home page. Click on the airdrop link to navigate to the airdrop details. Once on the airdrop page, read through the eligibility criteria carefully. Connect your Ethereum wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Choose your preferred wallet from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet. After connecting, the page will refresh to display your wallet information. Check for any notifications regarding eligibility. If your wallet is eligible, look for instructions on how to claim your airdrop. If you're not eligible, review the criteria again to understand what may have disqualified you. Take note of any specific actions required to qualify for future airdrops. If further action is needed, complete those tasks in your wallet. Return to the airdrop page after completing the necessary steps. Refresh the page to see if your eligibility status has been updated. Once confirmed, follow the instructions to claim your airdrop. Complete the transaction in your wallet to finalize the claim. Keep an eye on your wallet for the arrival of your airdrop tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.